You found an egg? Well, get it.
Right there.
Mom, watch yourself. Come find eggs, it's Easter time. It's time.
Wait, stop. Look in front. Oh, he found it. I think he missed in there. I think there's a couple more over here. Oh, when they stop like that. Uh-oh.
What?
That means your basket's in here somewhere.
What?
Your basket. The basket he leaves you of all the little presents.
Where is it?
I don't know, but when there's a bunch of eggs all together like that, that means there's a basket somewhere.
Look in things and open things up.
Yeah, go look at. It's probably in this room, honey.
Open things up.
Look around. You see anything? Look up. Anything? Where could it be? Is there a good hiding spot in there somewhere? Hey, I have an idea. Honey, your Easter basket's probably in here. You can.
Where?
All right.
What did you get?
No way! Cool!
A whole basket full of presents! Who is it? Who is it? Cool! It's an Acer. Very cool. Soap. What's that?
More.
More what?
More that.
More of that.
Cool. Dad'll open it. Ooh, before we break it.
Wow.
You know, that's a jump rope.
That's a jump rope. Want to go look for more eggs?
There's one or two I think you missed.
What?
Go on. Let's look.
He keeps missing it. Did you find the last one? He's into his presents already. Hey, did you find the last egg? We're in here.
Where? Where is it?
Look by your feet.
Where is that one?
That's it. That's the last one, I think.